You wake up tomorrow morning, no job, no salary coming next month, no backup plan, and your bank account $5,000. That's it. No rich uncle, no hidden investment, just 5,000 in uncertainty. Now here is the real question. Do you try to survive or do you try to rebuild strategically? Because the wrong decision here doesn't just cost money, it costs time, confidence, momentum. Most people in this situation panic, and panic is expensive. So today, we are running a decision simulation. What is the smartest move? When income disappears, the brain shifts into survival mode. Cortisol rises. Your thinking narrows. You don't think long term, you think short term relief. And that's dangerous. Because your first instinct might be, I need money fast. So you apply everywhere. Take any job, grab the first offer. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Urgency often leads to low quality decisions. And low quality decisions create long-term traps. Option 1. Secure any job immediately. It stabilizes cash flow, reduces anxiety, buys time. On paper, this looks responsible, but ask yourself, does it move you forward or does it freeze you in place? If you take a low-paying job out of fear, your energy will go into survival, not strategy. You will be tired, mentally drained, focused on paying bills, not building leverage. Second option, you treat the $5,000 not as emergency money, but as strategic capital. You invest in learning a high-income skill, starting a service business, building a digital asset. Now this feels bold, but it carries risk, because if it fails, you are at zero. So the real question becomes, how much risk can you intelligently absorb? Most people don't choose clearly. They half commit. They get a job and try building something on the side. But exhaustion kills execution. Half decisions drain resources twice as fast. Because clarity is power. If you choose survival, commit fully and save aggressively. If you choose growth, structure risk carefully. But don't blur the lines. Smart decision makers don't gamble. They extend runway. Step 1. Calculate exactly how many months $5,000 buys you. If your expenses are $2,000 per month, you have 2.5 months. That's not freedom, that's pressure. So the first intelligent move is reduce burn rate immediately. Cut ego expenses, move if necessary, simplify lifestyle. Time is your most valuable asset right now. Here is what intelligent operators do. They secure partial stability, not a draining 60-hour survival job, but flexible income, freelance work, contract work, part-time strategic job. This protects cash flow while protecting mental bandwidth. Now you have oxygen, and oxygen allows strategy. Not random investments, not crypto gambling, not dropshipping experiments. Use it to build skill-based leverage. Skills that pay sales, copywriting, video editing, coding, marketing, AI automation. Because skills compound, assets built on skills survive downturns. Here is something most people ignore. Confidence grows from action. If you panic and freeze, your self-trust decreases. If you execute a structured plan, even small wins rebuild identity. This isn't just about money. It's about not letting fear rewrite who you are. Your first disciplined decision after losing a job defines your next 5 years more than the job itself. So, what's the smartest move? Cut expenses immediately, calculate runway, secure flexible income, invest in high leverage skill, avoid emotional decisions. 5,000 is not a crisis, it's a test of discipline, a test of clarity, a test of whether you react or strategize. And most people fail the test not because they lack money, but because they lack structured thinking. Now, the question is, if this happened tomorrow, would you panic or would you execute? Thank you.